In this issue we will learn about Redmi K50/K50 Pro, a Redmi flagship machine released this year. Its original screen order was given to Samsung. It's a 6.67-inch with Full HD, middle-hole flexible direct screen of the K50 scheme. As a model that released for half a year, how is the market for screens in the aftermarket? Let's take a look. First look at the original type of screen. Firstly, the brand new original screen. Here are some quantity on the market so far, but not many. This type of screen is the best looking, without any defects screen. The price on the market is also the most expensive, about 800 plus RMB currently. Then the disassemble screen. These screens are basically dismantled from the original machine. The middle frame and assembly will be removed together. The framed screen can reduce the risk of damage to the installed machine. Also not brand new machine. Inevitably there will be some traces of use, so this kind of screen with the frame removed. Basically there will be some small flaws, but due to the small quantity, the price is about the same as brand new quality. And then as the original refurbished screens, now most people will to buy a broken screen insurance. Dozens of RMB is not expensive. You can also get a year of broken screen protection, and everyone will to cover the case and stick the film. The screen protector is pretty good. So the screen of the Redmi K50 series, the screen replacement cycle has not yet arrived. At least 1 year later, this amount of screen replacement will gradually increase, so it's the same as disassemble screen. There are not many original changed glass at present. Occasionally, a few scattered, a dozen, nothing more. When a thing is scarce, it is precious. Therefore, the current price of original changed glass, almost no price difference between the disassembled screen. Finally the OEM screen. Considering the current situation, the OEM screen can be imagined. Currently sure none. Then look at the OLED screen. As a 6.67-inch screen, there is no such large size OLED male model. In terms of the current screen replacement volume, now there must be no big bosses in the game. Come to open a model to make the screen. After all, high costs also come with high risks. Even if you do OLED screen, also at least in a year or even longer, there will be no OLED screen for this model in a short time. Finally, look at the INCELL screen. Opposite to OLED screen, INCELL screen came out very quickly. Basically, new models come out soon. You can see the figure of INCELL screen. After all, a mobile phone that costs just over 2000 RMB, compared with 800 plus RMB original screen, everyone should be more inclined to find a cheaper replacement screen. Currently on the market there is a Innolux, with 6.6-inch, middle-hole screen of Full HD and K50 scheme. The current market price is less than 200, ready-made 6.6 male mold glass. Anyone can do it with nesting material. The cost input is not too high. The profit is higher than other old models. Upstream manufacturers are more willing, be the first person to make a lot of money. Then compared with the original type of screen, how about this INCELL screen? In terms of display, Chino has personally verified, Full HD screen display is fairly delicate, without obvious graininess. In Windows, 6.67 compared to 6.6 in size, there is a certain window gap, but it is not particularly obvious. In terms of price, only less than 1/4 of the original. Comparing the two, this INCELL screen can be regarded as a very cost-effective screen. The screen market of this model in the future, there will be some new changes in the market. Chino will continue to pay attention. Also welcome to exchange and share in the comment area. Follow Chino Tech, avoid buying screens and stocking up being scammed.